welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're diving into the beastly return of an icon, the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. For those who crave raw power wrapped in SUV luxury, this machine is built to dominate both the streets and the trails. With bold styling, insane horsepower, and upgraded technology, the Trackhawk makes a serious statement in 2026. Under the hood, Jeep has brought back the madness. The new Trackhawk is expected to pack the next-gen 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine, delivering an estimated 750 horsepower. That's right, this family SUV can launch from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. It's track-capable, yet still fits 5 passengers in comfort, making it one of the wildest dual-purpose vehicles in the market. The exterior design gets a refresh but stays true to the Grand Cherokee DNA. Muscular lines, aggressive front fascia, and large air intakes give it a meaner look. New LED lighting signatures and a revised grille elevate its visual identity. Jeep has kept it bold but refined, with wider stance and athletic curves that command attention whether you're on the highway or parked at the trailhead. Inside, Jeep has gone all out with luxury and tech. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and high-grade aluminum trim give the cabin a race-ready yet upscale feel. A massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster pairs seamlessly with a new 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Uconnect 6. Expect wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 19-speaker McIntosh audio system, and over-the-air updates that keep your vehicle future-ready. Performance-wise, it's not just about straight-line speed. Jeep has fine-tuned the suspension with adaptive Bilstein dampers and active dynamics that provide both track-ready stiffness and off-road flexibility. The all-wheel drive system is re-engineered to handle insane torque delivery while maintaining grip on all terrains. Brembo high-performance brakes ensure this beast can stop as hard as it accelerates. For driving modes, the Trackhawk now includes customizable drive settings for street, sport, track, snow, tow, and even launch control. These modes adjust throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and torque distribution. Whether you're carving canyons or tearing down a straight track, the 2026 model gives you the tools to command any surface with confidence. Safety tech is no afterthought either. Expect Jeep's full suite of driver assist features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with auto braking. The Trackhawk balances aggression with responsibility, letting you enjoy performance while staying protected on the road. Now let's talk about fuel economy. While you wouldn't expect miracles from a supercharged V8, Jeep is said to have made some gains using hybrid tech and cylinder deactivation. While official MPG numbers aren't confirmed yet, early tests suggest improvements over the previous model without sacrificing that unmistakable roar of the HEMI engine. So how much will this beast cost? The expected price of the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk is around $98,000. With all the performance, luxury, and off-road capability packed into one muscular SUV, it's a high-ticket machine that delivers high-impact thrills. This is the Trackhawk's ultimate comeback, more powerful, more advanced, and more aggressive than ever before. For gearheads who want Hellcat power and a practical package, it's hard to find a better fit than this next-gen performance SUV. Thanks for watching Automotive World. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments, would you pick the 2026 Trackhawk over a luxury performance SUV like the X5M or Range Rover SVR? We'll catch you in the next one with more revs, reviews, and real talk.